Dude, you could hear them inside. Alright, so we found this abandoned place, and there's homeless people inside, and we just talked with them. And I asked him if he owns the place. He was like, yeah, we came, and he was pulling his pants up because, you know, he was doing something. And they're in here, and I asked him if it's okay if we could come in and film, and he said no. So, yeah. But we're just gonna record the car wash part. I don't even have any of my equipment with me. But yeah, see, it's all boarded up there. Dude, I literally just saw one of them from right there. If you go to not this window, but the next one, you could look in and you could see them. But you could be like, you gotta be real quick. It's transparent. Dude, this car wash looks like it used to be popping. I know you guys can kind of see in there. But he said that they're working on remodeling the place. Oh, we got somebody right there. But yeah, it's the front entrance. Very good. I want to record the inside. But yeah, there's like a whole door that goes into the inside. I mean, we're never gonna see them again, so I say we just like poke our phones in and get it. Yeah, you guys can see they work on the floor. They were back in that back room that I just, and I was saying they're both in that back room. But, oh shit, there he is. Dude, they're leaving, no way. Guys, hold on. Huh? To the cameras? We can't take pictures? I won't take pictures.
Y'all want something?
Huh?
I told y'all leave.
I know.
Alright, we already left.
I know, because we're going to.
Alright,
But we were wrapping around.
yeah, you wrap around. Why don't you wrap around this?
Okay. Alright, so the homeless people just left and we hid in the car because, you know, we don't know if that guy could have a knife or whatever, anything to hurt us. So we watched them ride past here, and now, since they're gone, well, we're gonna head back in. They hit that sidewalk, so now we're gonna go back in and just hope they're not in here. Imagine they're in here again. They could wrap around. You guys just saw that first car, so. Okay, let's check in the room where they were doing it. I saw a car's reflection and I got scared. Like I said, we don't know if this guy and girl could have weapons on them or anything. So that's my only word. Yeah, okay. What happened was I came up here because I saw bikes. Dude, there's still bikes here. But it's not theirs, because there's a bunch of bikes in here. But they were doing it in that room, and we saw him pull his pants up, saw her pull the pants up, and then the guy slowly came out right here and told us that he was the owner. I didn't get it on camera, but yeah. Here we go. I'm nervous. This is like the most scared I think I've ever been to be in an abandoned place due to the fact that he threatened us. Yeah. I mean, I could care less if he threatened us, but he was really aggressive.
Yeah, like you really think he
Yeah. Oh, you're going first? Yeah, I'm fine with that. through the doors. Yeah, see guys, I don't even have my equipment. I was about to say. Is there any way we can leave it like cracked? Nah, we don't need to have it cracked. You can smell the cigarette stench. Okay, so if they come from here, we have enough time to run out the window. Just a bunch of electronics back here, keyboard and stuff. Obviously not if they're sitting in here having sex. Yeah, see, these are very, yeah, you can see through these easily. So that's how they saw us with the cameras. Dang, this is cool.
That's the room they were in.
Yep, there's a little bed down there. Dude, that's disgusting. This is cool though. So this is a bar. That's what it is. Surf stuff there. Oh, dude. Probably their stuff. I wouldn't know.
I'm gonna laugh if we see them come back.
Dude, if we see them come back, I'm actually gonna be scared. Like, I'm still shaking a little bit, you know? Christmas tree, okay. All the business cards and stuff everywhere. 2020, so probably closed due to COVID. That's my guess. That's what everything closed from. Back office room. Yep. Make-A-Wish Foundation certificate. Nice. Oh, dude, there's still a phone here. Does it work? No. What did I tell you guys about being in my car wash? Still speakers. Coffee. The fact that we still went in is so funny, dude. I'm really nervous. Yeah, I'm guessing this is honestly, this looks like how they got in.
I mean, it's not the biggest car wash.
I know, but it's a car wash connected to a bar, which is pretty cool. I like that thing up there. Alright. I don't know if you want to, but what's the worst that can happen, right? They have their bikes chained up. Oh, dude, I'm not going in there. It stinks. But that's where they were doing it. Dude, that is
This is
disgusting.
where the homeless people were doing it. Right here.
I like how it looks like a cave. I say we get out of here before it's too late, man. I don't know if they're gonna come back or not.
I mean, if they come back, what's the first thing they can do? Exactly. If he saw you
The worst thing they could do?
beat us, you know?
Yeah, probably beating me. He was really aggressive towards me. Clear? Are we clear? Alright, bye-bye, please. Coconut in there? Are we clear? Yeah. That's it for the car wash. Sorry guys for the short video, but I know it's entertaining. Oh dude, there's shoes in here. There's shoes and a purse. Tom was here. What part was this? I don't know what part this was, but all the doors are down. Maybe a bath. Nah, not a bathroom. Probably like a waiting room or something. But yeah. Oh, dude. What do these doors go to? I don't know. I don't think we'll find out, but. Yeah, no. I don't think we'll ever find out what these go to. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe, and yeah, what a crazy video.